Myself, Dr. M. Saranya, Assistant Professor of BBA Department. Now I am going to discuss a topic on motivational research. Motivational research is the currently famous phrase for using psychiatric and psychological procedure to understand better why individuals react the way they do to products, advertisement, and other marketing scenarios. Motivational research is consumer research that has grown in popularity in recent years. It is an endeavor to uncover and explain why customers' behavior differ and why they behave in a specific manner. Thus, it's from the consumers inhibited and repressed motives. In consumers is aware of his intentions but refuses to reveal them to others for fear of humiliation, punishment, and ostracism. However, information regarding the motivating reason remains in the conscious mind because the individual will not accept the presence of a motive even to himself. Represent suggests a more profound rejections of knowledge about an explanation. Next, we are going to see about techniques of motivational research. Customers need to efficiently or accurately express their emotional feelings on direct questioning. As a result, clinical psychological method or techniques are applied in motivational research for the psychoanalytical research of consumers. All marketing activities required motivational research. The motivational study employ the following techniques. The first one is uh, following techniques. The first one is observation techniques. Consumers' motivations can be deduced from their communications and actions. The researcher uses this strategy to observe consumer behavior without revealing their names. This procedure does not include any interviews. Under this technique, the researcher may obtain relevant data or information individually using mechanical aids. This technique is appropriate for researching the purchasing process of consumer. The next one is depth interview technique. The researchers uses this strategy to conduct an intense interview. The researcher questions a respondents individually for several hours in the form of an interview. Interviewer are taught to develop rapport and not to steer the conversation too much. Respondents are urged to open up about their activities or interest in a specific issues or brand under investigation. Interview transcripts are then thoroughly examined along with the comments on respondents' moods and gestures they may have used to express attitude or motives. The next step is self-reports techniques. In this technique, the researcher verbally inquires about the respondent's intention, objectives, and needs are through a questionnaire. The researcher may administer many risk tests using pencils and paper under this method of motivation study to elicit a replies from the participants regarding their wants, desire, opinion, interest, reactions, etc. The information is next quantified, which involves give it a score to determine the degree to which a given need or motivation exists. Next one is projective techniques. Projective techniques aims to expose an individual's genuine emotions and intentions. Various cloak tests with unclear stimuli, including unfinished sentence, cartoons, untitled images, other person characterization, etc. Projective techniques operate on the fundamental presumptions that participants are oblivious to fact that they are expressing their emotions. Next, we are going to see about strength and weakness of motivational research. Some of the strength of motivational research include the following: in-depth insight into customers' behavior and motivations. Next one is assist marketers in tailoring their product and marketing message better to fit the wants and wishes of their customer. Next one is the weakness of market motivational researchers. It can be time consuming and costly, especially compared to other market research type. Thank you.